Welcome to the podcast. Today we're ending the series with an important reminder. A smaller move can still be a complete one. Many Americans measure completeness by volume. More boxes feel more permanent. More furniture feels more committed. But performance is not about weight or cubic feet. It's about intention. A move feels complete when life begins to flow. When daily routines settle. When you feel grounded in your new environment. For many people relocating to Spain, shipping fewer belongings allows that flow to begin sooner. There's less pressure to set everything up immediately, less urgency to recreate the past. Instead, you build forward. Emotionally, letting go of the original shipment vision can feel uncomfortable, but often that discomfort signals growth. You are no longer clinging to the old version of home. You are creating a new one. Spain offers a lifestyle that often rewards simplicity, smaller homes, vibrant outdoor culture, and daily neighborhood rhythms reshape priorities naturally. Nothing is permanently closed by shipping less. Additional items can be sent later if they truly matter. The difference is that those decisions will come from experience, not fear. If you're in the middle of adjusting your shipment plan, take a breath. Your move has not shrunk. It has refined. And refinement is not loss. It's alignment. If you would like help evaluating what belongs in your shipment and what might serve you better later, we're ready to guide you through that conversation. Give us a call at 844-651-7050. to speak with a relocation specialist today, or visit our website to request your quote and begin planning your move to Spain.